Okay, as we continue talking about time, something to remember is that the French use a 24-hour clock system, so they don't have to worry about AM or PM, because if they say 9 o'clock, they know that they mean it's in the morning. If they say it's 20 o'clock, then they know it's in the evening, which is our 8 o'clock in the evening, and so they can tell time that way. You could say 20h20, that would be 8:20, the way we say it. Another thing that we need to take a look at here is we say noon and midnight, and they have words as well for that. So for noon, they say il est midi. Il est midi. That is going to be noon. And for midnight, il est minuit. Il est minuit. So again, they don't have to use AM or PM for these because those are designated words for those times of day. So if I say il est 11h, we know that it's morning time because 11h is in the morning. If it's going to be 23h, that would be 11 o'clock at night. Okay? All right. Tournez à la page 157. À la page 157, on a un exercice F. OK. Exercice F, numéro 1. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? And these are all AM. They say du matin. Du matin means in the morning. So AM, quelle heure est-il? Look at numéro 1. Regardez numéro 1. Il est, what time is it here? Il est 9h. It's 9 o'clock. Numéro 2. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 11h. Il est 11h. Numéro 3. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 2h30. It's 2:30. Il est 2h30. Numéro 4. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 4h15. Il est 4h15. So it's 4:15, and remember they just add the quart. Il est 4h15. Numéro 5. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 8h moins 25. Il est 8h moins 25. You can either say il est 7h35 or il est 8h moins 25. It's 25 minutes before the hour. Either one will work, but they're more likely to use 8h moins 25. Okay, I'm going to let you finish writing down the sentences for each of these numbers in the exercise, and you can go ahead and complete up to number 10 as part of your homework. Let's go ahead and turn excuse me, to the next page, à l'exercice G, or G in French. Répondez, excuse-moi. À quelle heure est-ce que la classe commence? À quelle heure est-ce que la classe commence? So then they give you a time. This is the modèle. Elle commence à 9h. So when we say elle here, we're talking about la classe. The class is feminine, so we're using elle to stand for that. Elle commence à 9h. Numéro 1. À quelle heure est-ce que le train part? Here, le train is masculine, and it leaves à 11h22. So you're going to get some practice with your numbers. Get some practice making sentences, choosing the correct pronoun. Il part à 11h22. You could also say le train part à 11h22. Numéro 2. À quelle heure est-ce que Jeannette prend son petit déjeuner? Jeannette prend son petit déjeuner à... Now remember here, we're at 6:50, but we're going to go ahead and think about 7 o'clock. À 7h minus 10. À 7 heures, moins 10. À quelle heure est-ce que la famille arrive à l'église? À quelle heure est-ce que la famille arrive à l'église? They say about 9:20. If you want to say about, you use the word vers. Vers is about. So if we're going to say about 9:20, we would say la famille arrive à l'église vers 9h20. Vers 9h20. Okay? So when you see that about, they're asking for this word vers. Okay, let's go down to exercice H, and I want to show you 3 more expressions that are important to know. We have en avance, which is early, à l'heure, which is on time, or we have en retard, which is late. Okay, so répondez avec en avance, à l'heure, ou en retard. We're going to decide if people are early, on time, or late for these various activities. Numéro 1. Le culte commence à 9h30. Les Dupont arrivent à 9h15. So the service is starting at 9h30. That's 9:30. You could also say 9h30. Either one is okay. Les Dupont arrivent à 9h15. 9h15 is 9:15. Are they en avance, à l'heure, ou en retard? Les Dupont arrivent en avance. They're coming 15 minutes early. Ils arrivent en avance. Numéro 2. Ton rendez-vous chez le médecin est fixé à 4 heures moins le quart. Tu arrives à 4 heures. Now remember, 4 heures moins le quart is really 3:45. That is the time of your appointment at the doctor. But it says, tu arrives à 4 heures. Are you en avance, à l'heure, ou en retard? Tu es en retard. You're late. 15 minutes late for your appointment. Alors, faites attention. That means pay attention. Alors, numéro 3. L'avion part à minuit. Tu arrives à 12 heures. À 12 heures. Okay, 12 heures is the same thing as minuit. So, you arrived on time. How are we going to say that? L'avion part à minuit, tu arrives à 12 heures, tu arrives à l'heure. À l'heure means on time. Numéro 4. Ton cours de français commence à 1 heure. Tu arrives à 1 heure juste. You arrive exactly at 1 o'clock. Well, if your French class, commence à 1 heure, et tu arrives à 1 heure, tu es à l'heure. You are on time. Très bien. Bravo. Alors, numéro 5. Le train part à 6h10. Tu arrives à 6h moins 10. Le train part à 6h10. Tu arrives à 6h moins 10. Okay. So, you have arrived at 5:50 and your train is going to leave at 6:10. Are you okay? Yes, you're okay. Tu arrives en avance. You arrived early. Okay? So, if you have any questions, let me know about that, and then you will answer these personal questions for exercise I. Quand est-ce que tu prends le petit déjeuner? When do you have breakfast? Quand est-ce que tu pars pour l'église le dimanche matin? If you don't have an exact answer, just make up an answer and make sure you use the time-telling vocabulary and grammar well. Okay.